Okay, Bowser, what are you doing?
Got you, Bowser. Got you again. Oh, great. Mario, don't touch that. It's evil. You idiots.
Oh, whoops, accidentally. Oh, great.
Ah, it's down below. Ah, I'm scared. Aha, here we go. Oh, yeah, got ya. Got you both. Bye-bye, fat face.
I'm not a fat face. Shut up.
Oh, great, where am I? Ah, no, not the axe.
Come on, we can get you.
Haha, got you, Junior. Oh, great. Oh, seriously. We're all in one stock. Oh, look, it's Giratina. Oh, great, no. Oh, this is scaring me. Oh, great. No.
Oh, great, we lost to Fat Face and Fat Face Junior. Well, we won, so we're not Fat Faces.